All right, guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Surface Duo's bumper. Now, I never pulled it out. You don't want to see my order information. I never pulled it out when I initially got the device. I knew that I probably wouldn't use it, but today I've got my skin on, and I do have some other things coming for the device, but we're going to go ahead and check this out. So it is a slot right here for the SIM tray, and that was a concern of mine also from putting it on. I didn't want to put that on, but I will have my rest of my products in for this, my screen protector and stuff like that. So here is the paperwork that comes with the skin, letting you know, hey, this is how you put it on. Basically, you peel these off and then you put it on. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. There's a video right here that says, to see how to do it, go to this website. So I never obviously went to it, so let's check it out real quick before we get going. And it's aka.ms /dual bumper. So here it is right here. It's actually a little video right there that you can actually use. So I'm sure that this is obviously really simple. It's showing you how to do it. First, you peel those off right there, and then you peel those tips off right there, slide it in, boom, done. That's pretty much it. So it's kind of a no-brainer. That was quick. So let's put the bumper on, and I'll remove the bumper later once I have to put on my so it goes on like this, and it looks like this is going to be actually pretty nice, so you peel that off. That's what it's saying. Okay, so let's peel this off. Yeah, I was kind of hesitant on putting this on because you don't get any. There's no accessories for this thing, so you're stuck with using this. This is all you get. So I've also been wondering how that fingerprint reader is going to do. And then we're going to go ahead and peel this off. And we'll put it on. As you notice, I have a skin on here too. And so this is pretty solid protection, probably more than likely. We're going to make sure we get them. It feels really good though. Honestly, it feels good. So then we peel these tips off for some reason. They want you to peel these off. I don't know why these were there, but I guess just to show you direction of the bumper. I don't know. Got those little sticky tabs off, and here's the Duo's bumper case. Now Microsoft is going to be selling more colored bumper cases later. They're going to sell them for $40 a piece, I believe. That is a lot. So just you can see there, the fingerprint reader still works good. I guess close it up and fold it over. It shuts still. It's a little gap in there now because of the top portion right there. But other than that, you've got obviously got to have access to your charging port, and so they couldn't build. It wouldn't have been smart to put a little part right there. And something that's real simple that you could possibly miss is this portion right here where the microphone goes, because there's a little cutout down there for the microphone that is really slim. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't understand this part right here because there's no button or anything right there. Nothing goes right there. But you can actually use this with the skin, without a skin. Plenty of people are using it with a skin. So this is really nice, man. I really didn't know how I was going to feel about the bumper. And also you got the slit up here by the speaker. And that's something that you should take note of as well. And if you want, you don't have to remove this to get your SIM card out. They actually have a cover for it, which I think is really important, because it'll be a headache trying to remove the SIM card or remove this bumper every time. So I'm gonna make sure this is seated well. And you know, here it is. I have this little skin from Sophie Guard. Don't forget to check the description to get yours. But here it is. I mean, the bumper is nice. It's definitely going to give it some more. Oh yeah, you have a lot more grip when you're using this now. Yeah, it's a lot more grip onto things, and I'm sure that's their intent also. But it looks like this will probably get dirty kind of easy. I'm not really sure because I haven't. This is my first time using it. But there should be more accessories coming for this. Not a lot. There's an outer box out, and that's pretty much it. I've seen the bumpers. I love that little sneak peek. You can kind of see J Will right down in there. But you see just the outer box, and then you've got the bumper cases, and that's it. And it's going to have a red one, a black one, and then this one, and a blue one, I believe. I think it's red, black, and blue. I'm not sure. I forgot which one it was, what the colors were. But you know, it's going to be pretty. It's going to be pretty nice to get a different color bumper. I think that is going to be pretty sweet. Sorry about that. I kicked the light. But yeah, there it is, man. That is the bumper case. This already goes into my pocket pretty easy. I don't foresee this bumper coming off. And if this bumper were to lose its adhesive, you can use Gorilla Tape. You can use any kind of 3M tape to get this back on here. So I think you're set now with this bumper, especially when you have it sitting like this, because all the grip is down there. Again, the only thing I see that might be an issue is that this might get dirty really easy. This might get dirty super easy. So the bumper case, it's nice. I like it. And I think you guys will, once you crack a seal on yours and use yours, you'll probably like it too. There are no accessories for this thing. So this is kind of a, you know, I'm going to go ahead and use it now because even though I have a skin on there, now I think I finally got it fully protected, and my screen protectors will be here. As recording this video, they'll be here in 2 days. So I'll show you the video on that. But this is the bumper case. It still sits flat on things. It's just on the front when you put it down, but the back is obviously got a little bit of bulge on this side. But ultimately, you know, this is it. This is the Surface Duo with the bumper case. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. A lot of people are curious about this device, and I can see why. It's a very intriguing and eclectic device, and I hope you guys enjoy my coverage on it. I've put out several videos on it, and I just want to thank you guys for supporting this time I have with my Surface Duo. I have other phones that are coming in, so eventually I'll have to make a decision on which phones I'm not going to use in order to review these other phones. Because the Pixel, these are my two, shout out to the Honeycomb crew, these are my two phones that I'm with right now. You know, I'm working with full time with. And obviously I have other devices that I'm reviewing at the same time. But predominantly it's going to be Surface Duo, and then once I get my fold in, but again, if you've seen the video, that's not coming to the end of October, depending on when you're watching this, whether I have it or not. But nonetheless, here is the Surface Duo with the bumper case. And I actually really like it now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.